name's James back with 360 and back. In today's short iGuide tutorial, I want to go over how to export your iGuide tour to Floorplanner. Now, Floorplanner is a free website, and all you need to do is just create a password and create an account with these guys. Once you've done that, then iGuide will pick up on that. You'll just have to log in, and we'll show you that in a second. Floorplanner is just Floorplanner is just an easy way to customize your 2D floor plans the way that you want, but it also can do 3D, which is really kind of neat. You can also, if you work with interior designers and stuff like that who use programs similar to Floorplanner or may even have a Floorplanner account, you can have them export that project to theirs without them ever having to visit the site. So this is the Floorplanner website. Just go to floorplanner.com. I'll bring right there, just say sign up for free. And then you go ahead, just your email, your password and stuff like that. Once you get logged in and you're ready to go, you can go to log into your iGuide account. Once you've logged into your iGuide account, you can just go to iGuide details. And then you're going to scroll down to the very bottom left-hand side, and it's going to say Floorplanner. Go ahead and select that. And then it's going to tell you a little bit about exporting your iGuide floor plans to Floorplanner. It's going to kind of give you, level 1 is free and stuff like that, which is awesome. But down here, it's going to say choose the building that you want to export to Floorplanner. So if you have a property with multiple buildings, you can select all those levels, or you can just select like the one main level. So all you do is hit export. Once you do this, and it's going to say, are you sure you want to export? Yes. It's going to make sure you're logged in. It's going to say the operation is in process. And then once you've done that, it says your project was successfully created. Although the export was successful, there were some stairs that Floorplanner exporter could not translate. The basement, stair name, stair up, stair ID 62. And then you just click right here to open it. And once you do that, here we go. So now we're actually in Floorplanner. There is a lot of neat things that you can do on Floorplanner. I am not a Floorplanner expert, but I do know that there are several people out there that are, and just makes it a lot easier. Some of the notable options, I think I can turn this into, there it is. So on the very right-hand side, you got 2D and you got 3D. You can click on 3D, and it turns all the rooms into 3-dimensionals. Now, how cool is that? I don't know how to do all this cool fun stuff. Like here's the back patio here. So if you want to draw like a screen in area, you totally can. There's the fireplace. I know you can direct like light and scenery and stuff like that. There's just a lot of stuff that you can do. You can actually click on this guy and view the house from inside. So this is like the foyer side, and this is the dining area. So there's just a whole bunch of cool stuff that you can do. You can like add walls or add, these things here, and just click and just drop it in there. And there you go. Now that's with that kind of material, whatever it is. Sorry, I'm not doing a whole lot of good explaining and saying a million times. But yeah, so you can do all that. You can change the colors if you want. So if you want this room to be yellow, totally do that. If you want to place furniture, you can do that as well. So if you just pick like, I don't know, we'll say kitchen, you got all these cool little nifty things. So you can just add, this right there. And then when you go into the 3D view, we can see it's right there. I don't quite know how to get over there. definitely not my level of expertise. We just zoom in like this. I don't know. It's cool. So that's how you do it. You can just totally give access to your interior designer, or if you want to tell your customers that they can go in there and they can just start using a floor planner for free and just kind of find out how they would live in that house. That's how you would select like the basements and other areas. So yeah, I really hope this helped. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to give me an email. I'm going to be honest with you. If you have questions about Floorplanner, you might want to email them or check out some other YouTube videos. Maybe I'll just add a couple of links in the description below. Alrighty. Thank you so much. Have a great day.